Good day, beautiful soul. Matt here. Welcome to day 16 of our 30 Days of Money journey. Today is all about rewiring the mind. This is to confront the chains of financial scarcity that we've adopted, probably subconsciously, so that we can be more open to receive the boundless prosperity that's available so long as we release the blockages that prevent us from seeing and receiving. So let's dive in. What I've found is the most transformative advice on wealth isn't about mere transactions, but our emotional and mental relationship with money. It's about transcending that scarcity mindset which limits our potential. And this can be applied in any avenue of life. It's so fun to practice with money because we have so much story and scarcity built around money. And so understanding our personal relationship with money reveals the opportunities to rewire the patterns that are limiting our financial freedom. I just want to share with you a few of the golden nuggets for today, some reminders that we've already explored, and those are: money is energy. Allow it to circulate freely. It's simply a tool to exchange value. Abundance is a state of being, not a bank balance. And generosity is an investment in abundance in so many magical ways. I love this quote by Dyer, who said, "Abundance is not something we acquire. It is something that we tune into." That's so good. Abundance is something that we tune into. Looking to our prosperity physics to align with the sciences of money, we look at the work of Dr. Dweck, who shows that our mindset plays a vital role in how we approach and accumulate money and wealth. So those who possess a growth mindset, which is a belief that abilities can be developed through dedication, are much more likely to overcome financial obstacles. So based on this profound growth mindset insight, let us practice nurturing a relationship with money that transcends the numbers and the fixed ways of approaching it, recognizing that it's a dynamic, fluid connection, and that gives us the power to shape and refine our financial well-being. So today we're going to begin to notice our internal dialogue around money and begin to replace those thoughts of scarcity with abundant possibilities. Our MOOLA mantra for today is abundance flows as the heart knows. Abundance flows as the heart knows. This mantra resonates with the truth that abundance isn't an external acquisition so much as an internal state of receptiveness. So by echoing this truth, abundance flows as the heart knows, we align with the energy of prosperity. We begin to look for ways to notice how we're not in a line and begin to kind of like unravel those stories. So let's dive into our mint meditation for today. We're going to take 5 minutes to visualize our life full of abundance, being grateful for what we have while welcoming more. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position where we can just relax, yet remain alert and present wherever we are. Begin by closing your eyes and just taking a deep breath in, and a long, slow breath out, arriving more fully to ourselves in this moment. In this short meditation, we'll be cultivating awareness around any limited beliefs or unconscious behaviors that might be inhibiting the flow of money in our life. So as we rest in with our breath, let our awareness begin to drift towards our thoughts and feelings about money. No judgment, we're just simply observing the thoughts that come up. Are they positive thoughts? Negative thoughts? Just neutral? We're just noticing. Perhaps we notice if there are any reoccurring thoughts or patterns we have around money. Do you find yourself worrying about not having enough? Or are you afraid of losing what you have? Perhaps there are beliefs that you're undeserving of wealth, of abundance. All of our unconscious beliefs, when we bring them into our awareness, that begins to dismantle the power they have on us. And they can begin to be explored and challenged. And now with each inhalation, each breath in, we're going to visualize a golden light of abundance entering our body. And with each breath out, see those limiting beliefs leaving the body. Deep breath in with that golden light entering our body. And on the exhale, any fear-based thoughts leaving the body. This just helps us make some room for the belief in our potential to attract and hold more wealth. We can continue to see this golden light expanding within us, filling every cell of our being with the knowledge and assurance of our inherent worthiness of financial success. Feeling this energy transforming any residual fear or uncertainty into a confident belief in our capability to create and sustain prosperity. As we continue to breathe in this golden light of abundance, perhaps asking ourselves, what steps can I take to align my actions with this new belief? And then simply listen. The answers are within. Seek and you shall find. They may come as images, feelings, words, or just a knowing. You can trust what you receive. As we close this short, sweet meditation, let's carry this feeling of abundance with us throughout the day, knowing that each moment is an opportunity to transform our relationship with money. And remember, every step we take towards aligning our beliefs and actions with financial abundance is a healthy step towards unraveling our limiting beliefs and creating more prosperity. As you're ready, feel free to open your eyes, bringing awareness back to our surroundings, breathing in this new sense of purpose and resolve. On your next exhale, you can silently affirm to yourself, I am capable of creating abundance. All right, I hope you have your journal handy. We're going to move into some rich reflections. First one being, what is one limiting belief you hold around wealth? Follow-up question is, where did this belief originate from? And lastly, how can you shift this belief today? Now, this leads us perfectly into our prosperity pivot for today. This is a deep dive to recognize those subconscious chains that are holding us back from wealth energy. And as we just explored this in our rich reflection, I think it's really important to just see these without judgment, just awareness. We're just paying attention, and no need to shame or blame ourselves for anything. This is just, we're doing the best we can with what we have. We were born into a society that we couldn't control. It's just the dice we've been given. So by shedding light on these shadows, just that process alone allows them to loosen their grip and their control over us. We can step forward knowing that every moment is a choice, and we can choose abundance. We can choose to replace thoughts of scarcity with more of that growth mindset. Maybe you noticed something like, you are not deserving of wealth. You could simply state, I am deserving of abundance and it flows to me. Simple as that. As you play with that, but this is the invitation for today, just to notice those ways that we might be limiting ourselves and to choose a new story. Choose a new empowering story. Let's wrap it all up with some gratitude. We do this grateful investment every day because gratitude is so powerful. There's some research from the Journal of Positive Psychology that found that individuals with a gratitude practice, like this one, not only experience enhanced well-being, but also make better financial decisions. So gratitude fosters patience, it reduces the urge for instant gratification, and by genuinely just like appreciating what we have, we can discern our true needs from fleeting wants and just kind of be grateful for the abundance that's so present. And this is why we are so committed to our daily gratitude practice, so that we can just get in the habit of not just feeling good, but also cultivating more of those actions, of those thoughts that make for sound financial choices. So perhaps bring to mind some ways in which you are truly financially grateful, breathing in this gratitude, maybe taking a minute to just kind of write it down so you can further deepen into that. To wrap it all up, feel free to repeat today's abundance affirmation after me. I am a conduit of limitless prosperity. My mindset is a magnet for abundance. With gratitude and generosity, I make aligned financial choices that mirror my boundless potential. All right, kudos. Nice work completing today's session on elevating from scarcity to more of growth mindset to unlock more abundant blessings. This is beyond the halfway point of this 30-day journey. So bravo. So stoked for you. So proud of you. I really look forward to diving into tomorrow's session. Let's see. Yes, where we're going to further explore transcending those scarcity, small, limited ways of being with loving awareness. So I so look forward to diving into that with you. Our community conversation for today. What did you discover about yourself? That's it. What did you discover about yourself? We'd love to hear your 2 cents in the comments. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace, love, and rewire. Rewire.